Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher, and today we are going to do chapter number 4 in literature books. And first of all, you will open up page number 26, and the chapter 4 is Theseus and the Minotaur, Animal in the Labyrinth. Now this is another story, and this is about a king of the island, and his name was Minos, and he had a very strange and dangerous animal, and the name of the animal was Minotaur. And the animal was like that the half bottom of its body was human, and the rest of his body was like a great and black animal, a bull. And Minos had a servant, and his name was Daedalus. And Daedalus, the servant, built a home for Minotaur, the animal, and the name of the house was Labyrinth. And the house was built in such a way that it was under the ground, and there were hundreds of paths that from everywhere came in the center where the Minotaur lived. Now the Minotaur's favorite food was human meat. So Minos, the king of the island, was feeding Minotaur with the human meat, and was pushing the prisoners every day in the gates of the labyrinth. And the Minotaur used to eat those people and try to satisfy its hunger. Now, King Minos had a baby boy also, and King Minos loved his baby boy very much and took great care of him until it grew to a tall young prince, and everyone was liking that prince. At the same time where Minos was living there in Greece, there was a prince called Aegeus, and he had also a baby boy, and his baby boy's name was Theseus. And Theseus was when only a few months old. Aegeus's father died, so Aegeus had to go to his father's kingdom, the city of Athens. So he left his wife and his little son behind, and before going, he dug his hole in the ground and put his sword in it and covered it with a piece of a heavy flat stone, and told his wife that when the son is big and strong, then bring him to this place. He can take out the sword and take his place, and then he can go to Athens. Then he went over there. The story starts when the son of Minos, he wanted to go for a special holiday to the travel to Athens, because there were happening different games and different contests in Athens. So Minos' son wanted to go there, but Minos was not happy to send him. But the son was compelling his father that I want to go, and so the Minos was very much worried. He said, if something happens to you, so he realized his father that nothing will happen to me. Oh father, nothing can happen to me. So then he was given the permission to go to Athens to have games and contests, and then he went to the competition, and because he was very skillful, so everyone liked him. But the king Aegeus, who was now the king of Athens, he didn't like. He was very jealous with Minos' son. So one night when prince was going back to Crete, his own place, then king Aegeus sent some people after him, who killed the young prince, Minos' son, and hid his body in the jungle, in the woods. So now Minos is waiting for his son to come back, but he cannot come because now he is dead, and only nobody in the kingdom knew that Minos' son is killed. Only King Aegeus knew the truth. And after few days after this, Aegeus' own son Theseus also arrived in Athens. So this much we have studied. We studied more, but because of the fluctuations in the net, I will finish till here, and I have given you two references to the context. One is from here, page number 27. When our son is big and strong, bring him to this place. So who is speaking this? This is spoken by Aegis, and he's speaking this to his wife, and he's talking about circumstances. He's talking about his son, because he's leaving his son over there and he's going to Athens. So he's telling his wife. Then when his son grows up, he is telling his wife to bring his son to this place where he has hidden the sword covered with a flat stone. Now another reference I have given from page 28. Oh father, nothing can happen to me. This reference to the context. Who is telling this? Minos' son is telling this, and he is telling to his father, King Minos. And why is he telling? Because King Minos' son wanted to go to Athens to have enjoyment and fun in the games and competition, and the father was very much worried that something will happen to his son. So son is making the father believe that nothing will happen to him. So this is the two reference to the context, and other than that I have given you to write describe the Minotaur in a paragraph. So you can take the paragraph, arrange it from here, that he was trained in dangerous animal, the bottom of his body was like a human and half was like black animal. Then Minotaur's favorite food was meat, and then he lived in labyrinth, a place labyrinth that was under the ground, and he was very dangerous animal, and he was the owner of this animal was the King Minos was the owner of this animal, and the animal was very dangerous. So you will write one paragraph, and if you can draw the picture of this Minotaur, that would be very good. I would like to see it on the screen in the next class. So this is also your homework. Thank you very much. Allah